Hi, Captain Hook. Thank you for washing my camera lens. I appreciate that. Very helpful. Kylie, you get to meet Captain Hook. Find him a blank spot to sign, girls. Dakota, help them find a blank spot on their papers to sign. Yeah, you see his hook? Pretty cool.
They're out of spot.
Are they out of? There's got to be a spot in here, right there.
What are you looking for?
Did you already sign yours, Kai? No. We might have run out of. Oh, here's another spot for Captain Hook. There we go. No, put it back. That's a carnation.
I want it. I love it.
You want to go through there? Here we go. I told you, look will be nice to you. He's only mean in Neverland. She was all worried about meeting you.
Oh, Eeyore wants to sign your book, girls.
So friendly.
We have room.
That's his hook.
Right here for Eeyore.
Where's mine? Where's mine?
Right here, baby.
Does my name on it?
Doesn't matter. Just get it signed. She's getting yours signed.
I know, right? Nice, huh?
That's good. Give him a spot that doesn't have anything on it, right there. Mr. Smee? I don't know. He's probably taking care of the pirate ship.
Yeah,